I just wanted to show my $5 cup holder. As you know, these E39s, these I don't even want to release mine because they're broken up and they're ridiculous anyhow. You take a corner and you all know, your E39 owners, you take a left-hand corner too fast and your coffee cup just goes flying. Also, my rear ones are busted up. I just picked up this car last week. It's a 98 540i. But anyhow, I was looking at these prices for these cup holders and they're ridiculous. I've seen them as high as like $80, and I was looking at them, and they're just simple pieces of aluminum or plastic or whatever. So I figured they're not much different than a bicycle cup holder. But anyhow, this is what I got. I just went down to the bike department over at Walmart, and it's this little cheapo Bell, whatever that, Clinch 100. Anyhow, I was just looking for a black one. They got different colors, and it's just aluminum, and I mean, it fits my cup perfect. And there's a little pocket here, and I think I've seen other cup holders for sale for ridiculous prices that fit in here. And all I needed to do was I just bent, you can saw it off, but I just bent it off, and it broke, and then I shot some paint on it. And just one little screw down, we can see that, in there, and there you go, $5. And of course, it's aluminum. You can bend it if you have, if you need to shape it to fit your cup better. But it's a nice little cup holder. I'm thinking about maybe getting some of those. I may or may not, no big deal. But the little plastic or rubberized caps you can put on the end here. But there's no risk of me hitting my hand, other than I can bend this part off, I guess. But anyhow. For you guys that it doesn't look too bad either. It blends right in, and there's no chance of this thing flipping out when I take a corner. And use your money for the gas, because these V8s really suck up the the fuel. But this thing has about 100 and something. 145. I think I got 144.6. And he had they threw, I think it's a Flowmaster muffler, and it's kind of loud. Also, he's got this. It's a Pioneer. I think it's the AVH something 3500, yeah, X3500 BHS, and it does do DVD, but they have it a safety feature to where when you're driving, you can't play to DVD. I think it's supposed to be rigged up for your handbrake. I'm not sure. I'll have to test it, but of course, you can hot wire it so you can bypass that. But I guess I can turn it over real quick here, and you can see how loud it is. I do have it in the garage, so it might make it louder. Yeah, it's a noisemaker. Seems like everything works, except I got a airbag fault, and maybe on this driver's side, since the seatbelt tensioner is not retracting properly. It's kind of lazy. I did pull, I think, a code 02. I think that refers to the driver's side. But anyhow, there's a couple little things. I had to fix the rear center tail light. The pixels all look good, which I'm surprised, because typically, yeah, you can see my gas mileage pretty poor. I'm usually ripping on it pretty good. But yeah, surprisingly, everything works. AC and whatnot. I'm trying to figure out what color this is. If it's an Avis blue or an Oriental blue. Not sure where the code would be. It's not on the strut in the engine bay. Typically that's where you see what the color code is, but it's kind of like a purplish dark blue. And let's see what this muffler is. Can't read that. I think it's a Flowmaster. Oh, Magnaflow. Okay. Not sure what model, but it's kind of loud. There's a few things I got to do to it. One of these upper arms back here is wore out, and then the whole center drag link with the tie rod ends. And then somebody threw some cheapo cone filter on there. It was kind of flimsy, so I safety wired it so it doesn't move around, and put some padding between that and the AC hose. And can't really see it here. Probably have to back it up. They threw on a M5 bumper. You can see that it's got the M5 bumper, and looks like they reshot it because the paint looks pretty fresh. It's hard to kind of tell in the garage, but I just wanted to make a quick video. And they did the HID headlights with the angel eyes. So it's pretty cool. I mean, it's old school stuff, but compared to today's lights, but there's a lot of options you could do with HIDs. I'll set the there's a friend's slash customer's Z3 I'm working on. I had to do brakes and some gaskets and whatnot. I got to do the heater valve on it. If I can set the camera here, you can hear the exhaust. Hopefully it won't fall over. Alright, well, I had the windows tinted too. It was just the sun was killing me. I did here in Nevada you can do it's 3520 is legal here. I know in California I think 70 is percent is the darkest you can go. Even though people here do illegal, I've seen the 5% all the way around. Good luck seeing out of it at nighttime. So I just want to make this quick video and note to people looking for a cheap cup holder. This little bicycle thing made by Bell. So thanks for watching.